What's up, guys? It's Liam here from Tech Talk for Kids at you with another tech video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to get a domain for free. So without further ado, let's do it! Alrighty everyone, for today's video, y'all are only gonna need the browser of your choice, mine being Chrome, so let's hop into it. Once you get into your browser, go to freenum.com. This is where we will be purchasing our free domain. Now, in order to actually purchase a free domain, you need to sign up. I already have an account, so I'm just gonna go ahead and sign in. And once you sign in, you will get a page like this, which is pretty useless because we don't even need it at all. So what we do need to do is go to Services, Register a New Domain. And now in the text box, you can put whatever domain you want. Just remember for it to be unique or else it might be sold out. I'm going to do something random like coder. Looks like all of these domains are sold out, so let's search up some other domains. These are all sold out as well. Strange. Now you can see that these domains are available for free. I am just going to get a random one like CF, why not? Okay, after that you go press checkout. Here you want to click 12 months so that you can get the most out of your domain. After that, click continue. Now you will come to this page, the review and checkout page. All you have to do is check the I have read and agree the terms and conditions box, and then you press complete order, and it should bring you to this page, order confirmation. Now you have successfully registered your domain. Hope you guys enjoyed. Liam out.